Hi guys, welcome again to Wendy Styles. A wonderful day to you, a beautiful Tuesday to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. Welcome to Wendy Style. It's another day and a beautiful day with good haircuts for beautiful black women. This haircut is a style that will make you look like a celebrity. If you want that celebrity style, many of us sometimes those days, we always want to like go to the salon and ask Baba, please give me the celebrity's hairstyle, sometimes. But right now, we've advanced search and we do them sometimes by ourselves. And we have such kind of videos like the DIY and how you can style yourself at home. But when you have that naturally curly hair, sometimes, it can be tough to always find that example, like exactly the right style you're looking for. But I want you to have this in mind, that having one of the best hair is sometimes having the best hair care product, like the products I always talk about, like the MIELLE kit that you can get for $7 to $8, and you can order online through Amazon and AliExpress. There are so many ways you can get it, even through your local shops. You can also get the kings and coils. You can get the coil sauce. Coil sauce is another good hair care that can give you those defined coils you want. You can also get it within the range of $2 depending on the type you want. Either you want the leave-in conditioner, the moisturizer, or you want the Mousse, or sometimes there are some simple ways you can just use this product and you will come at looking beautiful. So we also have the other product which I always talk about, and Coco the barber, which is based in Trinidad Tobago, always uses the cow's daughter. Is another good product that can give you those coils and give your hair that dimension you want. So apart from the cow's daughter too, we have the Dukes. Like the Dukes for me is one of the best products anyone can think of. I've tried it before and I can recommend it. If you have the salt and peppered hair, it's one of the best choice for you. If you have your gray, for the beautiful seniors, this kind of hair and the product really give your hair that inspirational style you want, and it will definitely turn eyes in that occasion. So with this in mind and other products which I've always talked about on this channel, you can also go for some both colors and sometimes go for the kings and coils, because it comes with different colors cream. So adding this to this your hair, can really give you that options, for inspiration that can be tricky. So today, Wendy Styles, we have done some digging of about 15 of the best natural hairstyles for short hair, for you to have them at your fingertips, maybe for your next salon visit or the one you can try at home. You can also check some of my other videos where you can get ways and tips on how you can do this hair yourself right in your bedroom. I appreciate you, my gorgeous people watching me. God bless you guys. Please still look to this channel. See you guys in my next video. Ciao, ciao.
What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist, though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh,